What's going on, guys? It's your boy Drunane here, back with another amazing video. Like you know, this is monsoon season. Everywhere there is floods, water is filled in the road, and it's a lot of vehicles going through the water. And I'm with my friend Manish.
Hi.
So today we are just going to explore near the Lakshmana Tirtha Kanur bridge. So we are going to go there and see how much the water has come. So if you're liking my videos, like, share, comment and subscribe. Get me to a lot of subscribers. It's saying that let's start today's video. It's literally filled here in Kanur. The water is everywhere. It has covered the road. If it rains again, I think it will be like a flood. So let's go more and explore. Like you can see, the Erekanat and the coffee estate is fully filled in water. There's a lot of water. Yesterday there was high water, but today it's even higher and the estate is fully covered in water, like you can see. And this is Manish estate.
Hi, I'm Manish.
Like you can see. So like you can see, there is a bridge here. It's completely covered in water. It's dangerous to go through it. Like you can see, you can't even see the bridge almost. We are going to go there now. There we could at least see the coffee. Now here the small coffee plants are almost inside the water. I'll just zoom it. Today like the rain is very less, and tomorrow there is the prediction it will come more, but yesterday's rain overnight, you can see the prediction. And also in the afternoon, like 90, 100 everything, the whole rain prediction was there, and it rained a lot yesterday. Fully covered in water, like you can see. The line is also fully filled in water. I think today the rain will be less and it will cool down a little bit, but tomorrow again it might rain. We can't identify which is the lake and which is the field now. Oh my god, this was also an field and it is covered, it's literally covered in water. Like you can see, through this road we would go to leave the Gauri Ganesha time, to leave the Lord Ganesha in the water. This is the road, and here like you can see, it's fully filled. We're just going to go there and just see it. Look. It's almost come to the knee level now, like you can see. If we go more far, it's very dangerous, so we'll not go. Here also all the plants are covered in water, so we are going to go back. We are going to throw this stick there. It's just gone. It's just inside the water. We can't see it. That much deep it is now here. I think if I had a old video, I'd just show it what it was before and what it is now. But currently we don't have that video. So let's go near the lake. This much time I was talking, now Manish is just going to talk.
Hi guys, it's my estate. It's completely filled with water. So we are getting so much loss in this. You can see the estate also.
Like you can see,
It's a little bit nice, but we can see that estate is not proper.
all the crops which they have planted is fully inside the water. Like you can see that estate over there was Manish estate.
The estate is completely covered with water.
Like you can see.
Now we are going here to Lakshmana Tirtha Hole.
Now we are going there and let's meet you there. Like you can see, this is the board. You can go from Kanu to Ponampet to Gonikappa. Oh my goodness. It's fully in the water. Like you can see, both the sides. Just going to go there and come here and talk more about it. You can see we have come to another place here. Like you can see, the palm trees are right there, very far. Whole place is covered in water. You can see that's the high tension wires. Manish is going near the lake. We are just going to go there. We are not going to go far. Like you are seeing, from here we can go, but now the water is very more.
You can see Lakshmana Tirtha Hole there.
Now Manish is going to talk a little.
This spot is near Lakshmana Tirtha, beside the Lakshmana Tirtha.
Now like you can see, we are going to go up and show you a more clear view of it. Like you can see, to prevent accidents at the night and also now where the water is filled, they are filling sand in the holes to prevent any accidents to happen. Like you can see, they have come from Bekesudlur and now they are coming till Kanur Dam. Like you can see, it's a good work.
We cannot imagine the depth of this river. It's very dangerous.
Like you can see, the water is flowing from that side, it's coming to this side. Very deep. So many vehicles are going by through this bridge. It's been here from a long time. Like you can see. Now like you can see, we are come to the other side. You can see they are filling the holes. It's a very good deed. Now we are walking through the water, like you can see. Like you're seeing. Like you're seeing. That side is very deep, guys. And that side, the whole estate is there, paddy estate. It's fully covered in water. It's like a sea over there. I'll just zoom it. like you're seeing. Like you can see, this is the field full of water. So there's a challenge from Manish to you guys. So he's going to tell about the challenge and you should complete it.
Like this video, please support Drew's World and we are get bit challenging 300 views and 50 likes and make faster reach subscribers 400 subscribers.
So like Manish said, get me to 400 subscribers. That's the challenge for you guys. I know you can do it. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe. This was an amazing monsoon video. The sun gave us permission to do the video. It's not raining, so we did the video. And I would like to end this off with Manish saying something.
Do subscribe and complete the challenge.
Yeah, complete the challenge. 300 views, 50 likes and 400 subscribers. Complete it. You can do it. It's saying that I'm going to end today's video. I'm Drew's World. Stay cool, stay bold. Peace.